Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class 6th. Today's our topic is properties of HCF and LCM of numbers. So let's start with property first. HCF of given numbers is not greater than any of the numbers. Means given numbers का अगर हम HCF फाइंड करेंगे तो वो उन नंबर से बड़ा नहीं होता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल HCF ऑफ 5 and 15 is 5. See, 5 is not greater than 5 and 15. Second example is HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. 6 is not greater than 12 or 18. Now property second is LCM of given numbers is not smaller than any of the numbers. So second property है कि given numbers का LCM कभी भी उन नंबर से स्मॉल नहीं होगा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. See, 15 is not smaller than 5 or 15. Similarly, LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. 36 is not smaller than 12 or 18. Now property third is HCF of given numbers is factor of their LCM. Given numbers का highest common factor LCM का भी फैक्टर होता है. यू नो व्हाट इज़ फैक्टर ऑफ अ नंबर. फैक्टर ऑफ अ नंबर इज़ दैट नंबर विच डिवाइड्स द नंबर. सो HCF ऑफ 16 and 12 is 4 and LCM of 16 and 12 is 48. Now we have to say 4 is factor of 48. Yes, because 4 divides 48, so we can say HCF 4 is factor of LCM 48. Now question number 4 is property fourth is LCM of given numbers is multiple of their HCF. जो given numbers का LCM है वो HCF का मल्टीपल है. यू नो इन प्रॉपर्टी थर्ड दैट HCF इज़ फैक्टर ऑफ LCM. सो LCM मस्ट बी मल्टीपल ऑफ HCF. फॉर एग्जाम्पल HCF ऑफ 16 and 12 is 4 and LCM of 16 and 12 is 48. Now LCM 48 is multiple of HCF 4 because 4 के टेबल पे 48 आता है. सो 48 क्या है? मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. नाउ प्रॉपर्टी फिफ्थ इज इफ हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज वन ऑफ द नंबर देन LCM इज़ ग्रेटर नंबर. यहाँ पे अगर HCF कोई भी दो नंबर्स का उनमें से ही एक नंबर है तो उन दो नंबर्स का LCM क्या होगा? उनमें से बड़ा नंबर होगा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल HCF ऑफ 5 and 15 is 5. Here you can see 5 is one of the given number. So LCM is nothing but greater number of 5 and 15 which is 15. So LCM is 15. Property 6 is HCF of co-prime numbers is 1. You know what are co-prime numbers? Having common factor is only 1. सो अगर कोई हमारे पास नंबर्स हैं उनका कॉमन फैक्टर ओनली 1 है तो वही हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर भी होगा. सो वी कैन से दैट हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ co-prime numbers is 1. For example, 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers, so their HCF is 1. Now property 7. LCM of co-prime numbers is product of the numbers. co-prime numbers का LCM उन दो नंबर्स के मल्टीप्लिकेशन के इक्वल होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 and 9 आर co-prime numbers. So LCM of 5 and 9 is 45, which is equals to multiply of 5 and 9. Now property 8. Product of HCF and LCM of two numbers is equal to the product of numbers. Means अगर हम HCF को LCM से मल्टीप्लाई करें for two numbers, it is equal to product of numbers. Now for example, HCF of 9 and 12 is 3. LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. Now product of 9 and 12 जो हमारे पास गिवन नंबर्स थे, product of 9 and 12 is 108, and product of HCF and LCM, it is equals to 3 multiplied by 36, which is equals to 108. You can see both results are same. So we can say product of numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM of two numbers. Now let us solve question number 1 of worksheet 7. For each of the following pair of numbers, verify that product of numbers is equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें प्रॉपर्टी 8 है जो उसको वेरीफाई करना है. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज द गिवन नंबर्स आर 10 and 15. So first of all we find HCF of 10 and 15 by continued division method. When we apply continued division method, we find HCF of numbers is equal to 5. Now LCM of 10 and 15 by common division method. So LCM is equals to 2 multiply 3 multiply 5, which is equals to 30. Now product of HCF and LCM, it is equal to 5 multiply by 30 is equal to 150. Now product of numbers is equal to, given numbers are 10 and 15. So 10 multiply 15, it is equal to 150. You can see both results are same, so property is verified. Now question number 2 is find HCF and LCM by using the property in question number 1. We are given with two numbers and we have to find HCF and LCM by using the property 8th. So first part is given numbers are 27 and 90. So first of all we find HCF of 27 and 90 by continued division method. After making continued division, we find HCF of 27 and 90 is 9. Now we find LCM of numbers by using property. We have HCF multiply LCM is equal to product of numbers. So HCF is 9 multiply by LCM is equal to product of numbers means 27 multiply by 90. Now LCM is equal to 27 multiply by 90. जो HCF है हम उससे डिवाइड करेंगे प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर्स को. नाउ 9 10s are 90, so 27 multiply by 10 is equal to 270. So 270 is LCM of given numbers. Thank you and have a nice day.